Dubai Marina, the heart of luxury living. But have you ever wondered what AED 130,000 can really do for your apartment here? Let's take a closer look with LushLoom and see how we can transform a space into a stylish, functional home. Starting with the living room, AED 130,000 can get you a plush LushLoom sofa set. A designer rug that ties the room together, and smart ambient lighting. This creates a cozy, elegant area perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. Custom window treatments from LushLoom not only add style, but also control light and privacy. Add cushions, throws, and decor accents. Every detail counts in making your apartment feel like home. In the dining and kitchen area, you can upgrade with a modern dining set, sleek storage solutions, and statement lighting. LushLoom ensures these pieces complement your overall design, balancing luxury and practicality. Bedrooms are where comfort meets style. AED 130,000 can cover elegant beds, premium LushLoom rugs, and smart storage. Every corner can be functional yet inviting. Turning your bedroom into a personal retreat. And it's not just furniture. Smart lighting, automated curtains, and carefully chosen decor make every space feel seamless. LushLoom's attention to detail ensures your home is both Instagram-ready and perfectly practical. So, AED 130,000 might seem like just a number. But with LushLoom, it's your pathway to a Dubai Marina apartment that's luxurious, modern, and uniquely yours. From sofas and rugs to curtains and decor, every element is curated for elegance and comfort.